Making an offer on a home is exciting, but it's also where the real strategy begins. The goal isn't just to win the home, the goal is to win it smartly, without stretching beyond what makes sense for your family. So today, let's walk through exactly how we help our clients do that here in Woodstock and Oxford County. First things first, we need to know what kind of market we're working in. Is it a seller's market, where homes are moving fast and competition is fierce? Or are buyers in the driver's seat with more room to negotiate? This answer changes everything at how quickly you need to move and how sharp your offer needs to be, and where there's room to work with the seller. This is local knowledge that genuinely matters, and as lifelong residents of this area, it's something that we bring into every conversation. Once we understand the market, we look at the numbers together. We'll pull comparable sales, homes similar to the one that you love that have recently sold nearby. We factor in current market trends and the condition of the property itself. The goal is a price that is competitive and grounded in real data, so you're never guessing and never overpaying. Now the conditions. This is where a lot of buyers have questions. Common conditions include financing and home inspection, and both exist to protect you. In a more competitive situation, fewer conditions can make your offer stronger, but fewer conditions also can mean a risk. We'll always walk you through the trade-off clearly so the decision is yours, fully informed. Here's something a lot of people don't think about. Sometimes it's not about price at all. A seller might care more about closing timeline than an extra few $1,000s. Being flexible on the closing date or accommodating something specific about their situation can make your offer stand out in many ways that money alone can't. We look for those opportunities and use them. A winning offer isn't always the highest one, it's the smartest one, and that's exactly what we help you craft right here in Woodstock and Oxford County. If you're thinking of making a move, let's sit down and talk strategy. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a real conversation about what works best for you and your family.